In nature, this stone takes over 1 billion years to form. Inside this facility, it takes just 14 days. And today, I got permission to walk you all the way through it. Almost nobody outside this company has ever walked through this door. Let's go. This is a lab-grown diamond factory. What you're about to see, most people on the planet never will. All right, time to see how they actually pull this off. Every single diamond in this factory starts as this. Plain black carbon powder, the exact same stuff you'd find in a pencil. But it has to be almost perfectly pure, 99.99995% carbon. Any less, and the diamond just won't grow right. There's actually a second way carbon gets in. Through this stuff, high-purity methane gas. Every single batch of carbon gets tested before it goes anywhere near a diamond press. And if it fails, the whole batch is rejected.
As you can see, Grace Stanchion in this question, things happen.
Every single batch is measured down to the milligram. Now these little cups head into the heart of the entire factory. But before any of that carbon can become a diamond, you need one of these. These tiny slivers are diamond seeds. Each one costs less than $1, and each one grows into a full-size diamond. One seed. In just 14 days from now, that will be a full-size diamond crystal. Oh my God. Just look at these things. Each of these presses squeezes down with the weight of about 5 Eiffel Towers. Every single second, non-stop. The seed goes right into the middle, and then 6 giant anvils close around it from every side. 1,500 degrees Celsius. 60,000 atmospheres of pressure. Nothing on Earth survives this, except carbon. Every millisecond of what happens inside those presses is watched, from right here. Seven full days. That's how long carbon keeps building up on that little seed. Layer by layer. After a full week, the press finally opens up. And this is the moment nobody outside gets to see. Inside that little ceramic cup, a brand new diamond. And nobody in the world has actually seen it yet.
But there's a completely different way they do it in here. And honestly, it looks like a spaceship.
This is called chemical vapor deposition, or CVD for short. And once you see how it works, it's honestly kind of insane. That pink cloud right there, that's methane gas. Every single carbon atom and sticks.
"14 days, and that tiny seed becomes this."
The plasma powers off, the chamber cools, and what's inside is finally ready to see.
The wafer comes out on a robot arm. Nobody actually touches the crystal. Not yet, anyway.
Right there, that is a real diamond. Same molecule, same crystal structure. Everything nature makes, just faster.
First stop, an acid bath. Anything stuck to that diamond that isn't diamond gets stripped right off.
$22.4 carats. Still rough, already worth more than a brand new car. Now they sort every single one. The best of the best goes straight to the cutting room.
Now, cutting. And they don't use saws in here. They use lasers. One clean cut. The carbon just vaporizes right where the beam hits it.
Every single cut has to be perfect. Off by a hair, and the finished stone loses half its value. Now it gets personal. Every single facet on every diamond is done by hand, by actual humans. One facet, then another, then another. 58 of them in total, on a single stone. Every single angle has to be exact. Half a degree off, and the sparkle dies. Just gone.
And there she is, fully polished, from nothing but a few carbon atoms.
Now comes the part that decides exactly what each stone is worth, down to the dollar.
Cut, color, clarity, carat. Every single diamond gets scored on all four of these. Noticeable inclusions here.
This machine can tell you exactly how the diamond was made, which reactor, which day of the year.
Every single diamond gets its own unique serial number. Laser etched onto the edge, invisible to your eye. But the diamond alone is only half the story. It needs a ring.
One final polish, and it's done.
14 days ago, this was a piece of carbon powder.
Now it's the start of somebody's whole story.
Factories just like this one, right now, make more than half of every diamond sold in America. From 10 cents of pure carbon to forever. That, right there, is what this factory actually makes.